Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload videos to your Wix site, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the dashboard for one of my Wix sites, and what you need to do is go into your editor by clicking Design Site in the bottom left or in the top right, depending on the page you're currently at. Now, I already opened it up so that I don't have to wait for it to load, and I'm here on this blank page that I've created. Now, what I'm going to do to add a video is go here into Add Elements, and here there should be a Video and Music tab, just like this. Here you can select the single video players that you would like. You have the video upload, you have YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and Dailymotion. These four you need to link the video from these services. But if you want to upload a video from your computer, you just click Video Upload and drag it over here. And it's originally going to be some stock footage, but you can click Change Video once you select the element, and then you can click to upload a video from your computer. You can also select if you want to link it from YouTube or do whatever, and you can set up whether you want it to autoplay or play in a loop. Depends on you, but yeah, you can click here to change the video, and you can select the option to upload media, just like this. And if you click upload media, you're going to need to select the video from your device, which is of course very easy. Just find the file on the Explorer that it opens up, and that should be it. You can also drag and drop the video file over here. I'm not sure about the formats of the video files that are acceptable. I'm pretty sure that MP4 as well as it's not WAV files, but I forgot which files are supported. But yeah, that is pretty much how you add your files. And yeah, that's how you upload a video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.